feel like crying. Give me a minute. Yeah, guys, welcome back to part 2 of container setup. So this is like, at this point we are not even counting the week. Just know this week we are doing painting and also setting up the place. So this part 2 will be painting and setting up the place. So if you have not watched part 1, here it is. Go back and watch it. So let me show you where we are starting off. Sorry. That is how it is looking. So for gypsum, you normally put a net, then you can do your filler to cover the joints, then they will sand everything down. We have the screws, but that is it. This is normally like the slow part, but it feels so big. It feels so big. So yeah, we are in the painting phase. So today what I'm doing, I am marking where I want the colors to be so that the painters can do the painting. But yeah, so this is like, I don't know let me not even say a week, but we have done a lot. So here, this is just undercoat. So here I want green, then they want the yellow. Those are the colors, the brand colors that we are working for. I like to incorporate the brand colors because it gives the room a sense of home, and it's equal to like white, plain white. Then we have this other office. I'm still brainstorming, to be honest. This has been the most challenging office because it will also have like drawers, cabinets. So I'm yet to figure out your color inaenda wapi, but for now we just have it as simple white. But for that wall, I'm thinking of doing something for that wall. These other walls naweza kakua one color. So the other room we have a semicircle with green, the other room. So yeah, this is just an undercoat, and you can imagine how the place is looking. That is how it is looking. Seamless. So let me show you the progress. That is our container. Today we are doing mirror Makio installation, and also let me show you how far we are with painting. So that is the shade. Then we have that space. So we are doing those mirrors, and how cool! We're almost done. That is how this two room is. Wings. some of the room have some paint ka design kidogo just to break away from the white. And also I feel like this inafaa irudiwe. This is not straight, so we'll have to repeat that one. Definitely have to repeat that one. And also I feel like this wall, this is white, but here ikogozwa. So today we are doing floor. I'm the one who is doing the installation for the floor. I'm using PVC. Let me show you. This is what I'm using. It is very warm and also it is very durable. So we'll have a lot of traffic in terms of people moving. We wanted to do the video carpet, but it was not possible. So we're just doing this one, and also we're also going to start building the shelf. Like this room that I'm in right now, we'll have full shelf, kila mahali for storage. So yeah, I will update you as we go. I'm hammering because I need to hurry to start the installation. Hi guys, so by the time you're seeing this video, it's a happy new year 2025. So the project is not yet done. This is the last week of December and we are building furnitures. We want to do simple desk, simplest desk that we can get. So that's what we are doing this week, and also this week we should also be doing any final touch-ups zenye zimebaki. So let me show you where we are so far, what we have done so far. I can't remember where I left this video, to be honest, but I'm just going to take you a tour of everything so that you can see. Oh, that is how our shade is looking. We did some calabash light. I will share a DIY for this. We did some calabash lighting. So today we are doing furnitures. Desk is of tuzote. Then that is how our compound is looking. Upper engine, not so much progress that has happened. Then over here we have our store. That is how it's looking. So most of this board that we have used, we have recovered. So that's what we were trying to work with. That's what we are working with. And oh, we did the floors in each room. We have black floors. Very beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. This other room we added another light. These are last minute decisions, and then we did also a calabash light over here, which works amazing if you ask me. Amazing. And then we have some colors. I think the last time we did was painting. Then we have another room over here that is almost done. We have shelf added juu, and yeah, we have our toilets there, and also I think that's it. I will show you once the what. I will show you once we are done with the desk, because I feel like that should be the last thing, because this are office setup. There is no need for decoration. Yeah, so the only office that will be doing like a setup is the main office. That's one office that will definitely do a setup. So Hi guys, thank you so much for watching, for clicking. So finally the container project is done. So I want to show you guys what we have done, what we have managed to accomplish. It has been, we started the project on November. Today is January, so we did November, December and January, 3 months, but in between we had some break. Also we had the festive season, so literally 2 months and we were done. So let me show you, let me take you guys for a tour of what we have achieved. I will try and show you some of the DIY that we have done, like this. If you see this, you know this is a bucket and it's an automat that we did for this project. We were done with the paint bucket, so we did some DIY, so you also see that around. And also, yeah, so let me show you, let me take you for a tour of what we have achieved in 2 months. And also, if you have not watched the previous video, please go back, watch it, like, share, comment, all the things that people do, so that you can be able now to like compare the before and after. So let's go.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but I know you're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. You're struggling to see what I'm doing. Did I take a bullet for you? It's easier to let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I say na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. You let me be